Welcome to our presenter. My name is Vishjinga from Class 9E, DBS IFL Bangalore, and today I'll be showing you my RC airplane. So this is the airplane that I have built completely from scratch. It's made up of Depron sheets. So this is the main fuselage, the landing gear in the front and two at the back here, the main airfoil or the wing, then you have the rudder and the elevator. So I'll walk you through the basic components of this. So first, it's made up of Depron sheets. It's a very lightweight material. The entire weight of the airplane is around 1.5 kilos. It can take up to a capacity of 3 to 4 kgs. So in the front, these are some stickers all over here. This is the FPV camera. This is a long-range FPV camera that has a range of 15 kilometers. These are standard BLDC motors, 1000 kV, 1045 props. Then at the back you have two servos for the ailerons that can pivot on either side. This is for the roll, so the airplane can go like this. Then you have the rudder, two more servos over here that control this. This is for the yaw, to make the plane pivot like this. Then you have the elevator at the back that makes it pitch up and down. So for this, I've been using two remote controllers. So one is for the standard flying. So this is just to give commands to go up, down, left, right, and normal flying. And then the second, which is a much more advanced controller, this is for my telemetry. So my battery life, the data, and the FPV, the digital video feed, and all these stuff come through this transmitter onto my ground station that I've built. So this is my own AI tab. So what I use this tab for is that to send all the video feed, the data onto this, use my own code, AI algorithm, etc. to process the data and to use it for other stuff. My plan is to make it autonomous. Right now it's manual. My plan is to make it autonomous so that it can take off, fly to various waypoints and land, and perform other missions or other scientific purposes. Thank you.